While I stay here in the 7 days, so to begin with, on the very first day, we went for a survey in the village, and of course, it was a very wonderful experience. Although many of the village people couldn't understand our language, they spoke only in Bengali, so we had around 8 Bengali persons in our unit. So they communicated with the people of the household, and that's how it proceeded with our survey. And it was a good experience. The people even offered us seats and drinks while we went to their home, and so it was very good experience. And the next big work we did was the road construction. So we covered a large part of the road basically, and what we got to do was to fill up the ditches and to level the road. So it was a really new experience because something which we had never done before. So we had the floors and the pickaxes and stuff, and we had to go construct roads. So that was a quite thrilling experience. And further, we had to carry water and harden the road so that it won't wear off in the monsoons and stuff. So that was quite a wonderful experience. And then for the programs in the evening, so basically, like yesterday, the village people put up a show. So that was although we couldn't understand whatever they're speaking, obviously it was all in Bengali, but then the tune and the music, we enjoyed. And we heard that Anniversary camp would be a little hectic for you and stuff. Of course, we got tired when we got back to your it's difficult to speak. But then it's an experience worth sharing, and it's something which the NSO and the NCC people won't get. And it's of course a very wonderful experience. And as for the Nukkad part, so we chose a topic Sab Chalta Hai, and it's gonna be, I guess, for me, it will be the first and the last Nukkad of my life. So I decided to participate, and we try to give our best. Although I was the first one volunteer to perform the first, so the mics and all were not working very properly. So I don't know if you all heard whatever we were talking about. But then we put in a lot of effort with the Nukkad, and I hope you enjoyed it and you got the message from it. And also we tried that every one of us participated, and in our Nukkad there weren't any protagonists. So everybody got to speak and everybody got a dialogue and stuff. So everybody got to speak because our motto is, Unit 1 has a motto which says, all men must serve, all are no highest, and that's how Unit 1 goes. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you. So far, so many of us used to sympathize with people who belong to certain rung in the social ladder. Now I think most of us have learned how to have empathy for people. That is, I think, extremely important. We also learned how to work in team, how to divide work, and also how to enjoy while working, because बिना टेम्पो के काम नहीं होता है और टेम्पो बनाए रखना बहुत जरूरी है. I'm really grateful that we had such a good team, and we had such good leaders, Hardik and Lakshay, and apart from leading the team, they also were extremely good at managing the Nukkad. Everything was done by the group, and it was extremely good. They coordinated very well, and we coordinated ourselves very well, and I think, and we all are really grateful, and we all are really lucky that so far in at least one semester we have contributed at least something to the nation.
मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगा, कोई नोट तो नहीं किसी को. सबसे अच्छी बात है इस कैंप के बारे में बच्चों का खाना और स्नेक बाइट खाना. और सबसे अच्छा ये हुआ कि जो हमारी सीनियर थे, उन्होंने कहा था कि यार कैंप में मज़ा बहुत आता है और यूनिट के बीच में बॉन्डिंग बहुत हो जाती है. हम लोग कैंप से पहले एक दूसरे को आपस में जानते भी नहीं थे यूनिट में, तो एटलीस्ट परसों तक मज़ा बहुत आता है वाली बात पे हमको भरोसा नहीं था. बॉन्डिंग वाली बात पे हमें भरोसा हो रहा था जैसे जैसे नुक्कड़ की प्रैक्टिस हो रही थी. लेकिन जब नुक्कड़ हुआ और स्नेक बाइट वाला कैंप हुआ, एक दिन हमने मिलके गाने गाए. गांव वालों ने हमको बोला सड़क बन रही है, बहुत सही काम हो रहा है. आज एक गांव वाले ने मेरे को पूछा क्या तुम्हें ये सब काम करने के रुपए मिलते हैं. तो ये सारी चीज़ें देख के हमको मज़ा आना भी चालू हो गया. माई सजेशन वुड भी कि गांव वालों को थोड़ी बहुत अवेयरनेस होनी चाहिए, कुछ फंडा होना चाहिए कि कैंप में एक्चुअली हो क्या रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है, कौन लोग हैं, कहाँ से आए हैं. हम रैली लगा रहे होते हैं, गाँव वाले ऐसे देख रहे होते हैं, यार नींद खराब करने आ गए लोग. तो ये वाला काम थोड़ा अगर हो तो अच्छा है. बाकी कैंप में मज़ा आया, बहुत सारे लोगों को देखा, अच्छी बात है.
Another from Unit 5. And this NSS camp was an experience of a lifetime, and our group was given the work of constructing the road as it was given to most of the people. So it was quite an enthralling experience there, and though there were some bitter memories, but every single person sitting here would accept that the good memories surpassed over the bitter memories, and that is the most important thing that every one of you should realize. And coming to the point, on a serious note, how did this camp help us to change our mentality towards the society? The first thing is, before we came here, we were already on with our monotonic schedule of studying and all. And when we came here, we realized there is something beyond those points, and that is what we should realize at this moment of time. And the most important thing is, we did a work which we all enjoyed. And the most important thing was, we enjoyed and we dedicated something to the society, to some part. And after all this, the basic thing that we expected was a change of our mentality, that these things are not done by people like us, we are IITians and all. We realized that these things are most important for people like us who can make a change in the society, because we will always be busy with our monotonic schedule and all. But when we are doing these things, we are dedicating something to the nation, and that's the most important thing. And the other part, we could add something. We could make a forum on Facebook where whatever you feel like the changes you can bring to NSS, whatever you feel like the changes you can, the projects that you can add to NSS, we can make a forum, and the next year when our juniors will come, they can adopt it and they can make changes to the same village. Because whatever we have heard, we are always doing the same thing of constructing the road. But if you do something better, something more, that will surely add the value to society. So that's all. Thank you.
सबसे पहले तो मैं आप सबको थैंकफुल बहुत थैंकफुल हूँ, और सारे टीचर्स को, रॉय सर को, जिन्होंने 500 प्लस लोगों को मैनेज किया. इट्स नॉट एन इजी टास्क. एवरी पर्सन वर्क. और ये हाँ, तो मैं सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट यही रखना चाहूंगी कि लीडरशिप क्वालिटी बहुत सीखी. इतना फिजिकल काम मैंने नहीं करा था. 18. So most of us come from cities, and most of us haven't been to villages that frequently. इतना नहीं रहते, और यहाँ आके ग्राउंड वर्क करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट टास्क था पहले. बट देन वी लर्न एंड वी यूज्ड टू इट, राइट? वी यूज्ड टू इट. इनिशियली कितना थक जाते थे. Actually go to a hospital, we're not even able to do anything. But now we are, right? रूम में बैठ के कोडिंग हर इंसान करता है यार, हर आईआईटीएन करता है. ये कितने करते हैं? So there's some points I wanted to note that. Initially कुछ चीजें मुझे लगी कि हम लोग सर्वे पे गए. Many of us मतलब इतना गाइड किया था कि ये सब पता करना है एंड थोड़ा करना है. बट मुझे ये चीज लगी कि उसी टाइम पे हमें विलेजेस को अवेयर भी करना चाहिए, क्योंकि तब हम गए थे, वी वर देयर. हमारे मेरे यूनिट में सुप्रज्योति है, वो हर एक घर पे गया जहाँ पे भी असाइन था. उसने बताया दैट बच्चों को पढ़ाओ, कैसे चल रही है पढ़ाई. दैट इज व्हाट आई वांट. इंस्टेड ऑफ रैलीज वी कैन हैव दैट वन. वी कैन आस्क पीपल कि वो घर घर जाके बताए, उनकी प्रॉब्लम स्पेसिफिक सोल्यूशन दे. यस, यू हैव द आइडिया, राइट? और ये पॉइंट नोट किया कि इनिशियली सब बहुत एंथुसियास्टिक थे, वर्क a lot. There were people who worked throughout the day. But last में enthusiasm थोड़ा नीचे चला गया, because maybe we should have managed it well कि अपना एंथु पूरे 7 दिन के लिए रखना है, right? It should sustain. That is what I want कि वो चीज हम सीखें. बाकी everything I found was awesome. And किसी ने पहले यूनिट 3 के स्टूडेंट ने शायद बोला था कि बॉन्डिंग जो हुई I'm really thankful to the NSS camp for the friends I got over here. The amazing peer group I got. Thank you all. Thank you guys.
Thank you very much.
हेलो, आई एम आलोक, आई एम फ्रॉम यूनिट 7। हिंदी में बोलो। ठीक है सर, हिंदी में बोल रहा हूँ, ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लूँगा। सबको भूख लगा है, मुझे भूख लगा है, जल्दी खत्म करना है। तो सारे पॉइंट तो ले चुके हैं। तो मॉर्निंग में बढ़िया थी, एक्सपीरियंस तो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा था। और and was a fun part. We interviewed many local people, asked them some ridiculous questions. We shooted them, we posted them in Facebook. No matter. तो और क्या और भी मैं सोच रहा हूँ one constructive criticism will be that other than road construction हम लोग को awareness camps भी करना चाहिए, क्योंकि awareness camps क्योंकि इन लोगों के पास टेलीविजन है, टाटा स्काई का कनेक्शन, बट इन लोगों के पास पब्लिक टॉयलेट, जब टॉयलेट नहीं है, मेन चीज़ तो नहीं है, तो वो लोग टीवी और टीवी के साथ क्या करेंगे। तो ये एक चीज़ है, ये एक पॉइंट है जो मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ। और एक चीज़ मैं जिसके अगेंस्ट जाना चाहता हूँ कि सब लोग काम नहीं कर रहे, काम जो तो भाई होते ही हैं हर जगह। तो सब लोग रोज पॉइंट के पास बैठ जाते थे, ऐसे करते थे, सिर्फ 2 ही दिन जब काम करते थे। तो आपने ठीक है, तो बस इतना। और बहुत बढ़िया एक्सपीरियंस था, होप करते हैं नेक्स्ट टाइम भी करेंगे। और बहुत चीज़ें जानने को मिला, बहुत चीज़ें सीखने। तो ठीक है, तो थैंक यू।